Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by updating GeForce Experience and the Nvidia driver. This fixes many encoder bugs. Once done, close heavy background apps and overlays so your GPU has headroom. Make sure your Clips folder is on an SSD with adequate free space to avoid write stalls. Next, open Shadowplay/Instant Replay and set a temporary low bitrate and 60 FPS to test. These quick choices prevent early lag and let you isolate whether the issue is encoding or disk bottlenecking. You now focus on the encoder and bitrates because these control processing load. Switch GeForce to NVENC and pick high quality or performance depending on GPU age. Older GPUs need performance. Then reduce bitrate in 10 to 30% steps and record short clips to test stability. Also match capture resolution and frame rate to your gameplay, 60 FPS and 16:9 for most games, so no real-time scaling causes lag. If disk writes are still spiking, enable write caching or change to a faster drive. You finish by enabling hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling and rebooting. This can reduce latency. Once done, test again. If clips still lag, record with Game Bar or OBS to determine if GeForce Experience is the culprit. Make sure power plan is set to high performance and that GPU temperature remains safe. If problems continue, perform a clean driver reinstall using the in safe mode. This often removes corrupted driver remnants and resolves persistent NVENC or.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.